Happy Tuesday, June 17th. It's Sammy with Trading Transformations. We took 10 trades in Dow Futures for 293 points. So we've been in this trade for a bit here. You can see over to the left where we got in. We're trying to head up to this checkpoint right here. The data was decent, but it's been decaying and flipping and flopping all over. But this trade has our break even already set, so it's risk free. Now, we've been in this trade long enough, we're just going to close it down with 25 points. Well, if you look over there to the left, we finally hit that checkpoint. We could have left this trade run here. We're a little late coming back into this trade, but now we're at value area high, so we're going to make sure we have that trade protected with that break-even stop loss again. The data's just not strong enough to break through value area high, so we take a break-even. All right, now this is interesting. We rolled through our checkpoint. Look at that. We came back down. No more long data. All the data has regressed over on the short time frames to short data. That's why we're going short now. Now we've got that stop loss in a break-even position. We're going to go ahead and close out with 30 points. All right, now you can see the data flipped back over to the long side, so we're going to go ahead and come back up through long here. We're working to 50% Fibonacci level. When we work with that short time frame data, we always make sure to move that stop loss into a break even as quick as possible. We're hitting this checkpoint here. We're going to go ahead and lock in 30 points. All right, now we're trading the open. You can see that wick to the left. We've made it through our checkpoint. We're going through value area high. We're going through deviation 1, and we're going through the pivot. So there's a lot of resistance here. You can see we're trailing now. We got a lot of data, momentum, sentiment, and volatility. We've got a plus 30 stop loss. It's incredible to have stop losses that are plus 30 points. All right, you can see we came down and tested the open price. We still have some data that we're working with. We're testing that open price. We're going to go long out of here again. We got to get this stop loss moved up to break even right away. Now we're at that 61.8 Fibonacci level. We're punching that value area high. We can look over to the left, of course, so we're going to move the stop loss up to plus 30 and take plus 30 again. All right, we're going to give this ceiling area. You can see now we've hit it 2 times, that orange line right there. We're going to try it one more time. As it's rejecting, we probably should have locked in 30 points. Right when we hit it, we're just going to lock in 14 points on the way back down. All right, we bounced back off of deviation 1. All of our data is holding to the long side. We're going to go ahead and re-enter this trade long with plenty of data. Hopefully we get up to that aqua line, which is deviation 2. We got a nice plus 5 stop loss in case anything goes crazy here. As we punch through deviation 2, we're just going to manually lock in 43 points. All right, we've been using our trend line the entire morning. We've connected all of our pullbacks basically where we tested bull support. Now you can see we're coming right off of that high there and we're rolling through the trend line. Our short time frame data is rolling over while our long time frame data is decaying. So now we have our reversal in process. And as we punch through here, we're going to go ahead and lock in 40 points. I just got back from the gym. I took a quick analysis of the 1 hour and 30-minute charts. We got really strong reasoning on the fundamental side to go short. So we've got, look at this data firing. We've got momentum, we've got sentiment. Let's see if we get some volatility breaks. We're going through deviation 1 down towards deviation 2. Watch as we trail. We're going to trail plus 30, plus 40, and ultimately we're going to end up trailing at plus 51 points, and we're going to lock in 51 points when it hits our trailing stop.